So this is going to be a build video. I'm going to make a small little restaurant booth. I've kind of made like a mock-up prototype, how the chairs fit, the table height and width. I've got an image online of a restaurant booth that I'll kind of use a little bit. So I sketched out some dimensions, transferred the design onto this piece of wood, and then cut out the first part with a jigsaw. And then I traced around it, made 2 for each side. And this wood is 3/4 inch MDF. Get it at Home Depot. So I've made kind of a preliminary wooden frame. And I occasionally bring it in the house, kind of get a feel if I need to make adjustments. I glue everything together. I designed a little storage area underneath. There's a channel routed out. It kind of works like a pinball back glass. There's a little brace. And I fill in all the screw heads with this stuff called Minwax wood filler. Now I do 2 coats of Kills oil-based primer. I use a foam sanding block and sand in between coats. And it really smooths out the paint. Each layer gets glossier and glossier. Now I do 3 coats of Rust-Oleum oil-based paint. I really like these Foam Pro 3-inch foam rollers. Here it is, freshly moved into the room. In the under-seat storage. This one I've got a bunch of candy. In this one I have spare arcade parts. This is a spare Discs of Tron spinner. Now I'm going to install these marquees on the back of the chairs. Okay, here's this side. Got elevator action, Super Pac-Man, and Gorf marquees. And on this side, we got Bagman, Satan's Hollow, and Street Heat. And then on the table, we got some genuine Tapper coasters. And also a battery-powered LED candle. This restaurant booth gives a commercial seating quality to the game room.